Thank you, sir. Now I take the privilege of inviting our esteemed dignitaries to share few words of welcome and inspiration with us. I would invite B.S. Umre sir to be felicitated by Ritesh Kesari, Surender sir and Ritesh Kesari. Thank you, sir. Now I take privilege of inviting our esteemed dignitaries to share a few words of welcome and inspiration with us. I will now request course coordinator of Gian program, Dr. Joydeep Senugupta, to deliver the welcome address.
So, Director in charge, Honorable Dr. G.P. Singh, our esteemed guest Gopaluni sir, HOD sir, Kothari sir, Bhusan sir, Gandhi sir, Umre sir, and all the faculty and the participants. So, first of all, very good morning to all you. So, according to our best, I arrange all the thing. So, first of all, if you people have any problem in staying on accommodation, lodging, please let me inform so that if anything is there, we can arrange it. So the course is about machine learning application to automation engineering. So total 27 candidates registered for that course. Among them, 15 is from outside and 12 is from VNIT. So the outside candidates from PhD scholar of IIT Delhi, IIT Ropar, IIT Bombay, many other private institutes, and our internal students also. So there are total 6 days program. It starts from today 23rd to 28th, and Professor Bhusan Gopaluni, University of British Columbia, he is the main speaker of that course. We are also happy to announce that Mithun Agastani from University of Alberta, he will give again lecture in online, and Jayanam Phelluri from IIT Ropar, he will also take 2 sessions on Friday. So I am requesting you all to please take the opportunity of that course and do accordingly. And sir, again I am thankful to you because we know that last moment also there is a flight clashes there due to the war, and I became little bit tense ki how will you arrive or not, but thank God all the things have happened soon. So again I am welcoming all, and if any problem persists, please let me know today so that I can solve it, because according to my best I arrange all the thing, but I am human being, some error may be there. So if some error is there, please let me clarify this thing and let me do the thing so that it cannot be done. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Dr. Ashwin Kothari, sir, Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to kindly share the departmental welcome.
Good morning to all. Respected Professor G.P. Singh, In-charge Director, Dr. Bhusan Gopaluni from British Columbia, Professor from British Columbia, my colleague, HOD of Electrical Department, Dr. Umre, my colleague, Dr. Kishore Burchundi, Dean of International Affairs, my colleague, Dr. Gandhi from my own department, my other colleagues, young colleagues, and my support staff and all the participants, a very hearty welcome from me and the coordinator team on behalf of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I welcome you all. As you know, the vision given to us by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, of becoming a Vikasit Bharat nation up to 2047. Technological innovation and persuasion for the same is an important and inevitable task now. And therefore, an element of indigeneity is very much required. When that is there, all technologies which are rather not competitive but complementary to each other cannot be learned, or the hands-on cannot be developed on it in isolation. So we are learning AI ML in one compartment but not applying it anywhere. This cannot happen. We know there are various industry evolutions going on. We have learnt a lot about 4.0 and then other upcoming standards also. And then we can see that AI ML or application of machine learning is very inevitable, and so it will occupy that place also in automation. And therefore, amalgamation of the two is going to give you lot of opportunities for innovative research as well as for a flourishing career. But for that, we must learn the nuances of the same field. And this is very specific field. Individually, we might know AI ML very well, or individually we might know automation, but what exactly will happen when machine learning is applied in the field of automation, that is very necessary to know. And as there are some developed countries in which these kind of technologies or its amalgamation has achieved already an excellence. An exemplary work has been done by many eminent academicians like Professor Bhusan. It is necessary for us to get a platform or opportunity to learn from them. That is what exactly our government has done, or Ministry of Education has done. And Gian, that is Global Initiative Academic Network, is a platform for the same. So, what is our duty when we get this opportunity? It is just the beginning, and not just attending a course and getting a certificate, but going beyond it. Okay? So I know even Dr. or Professor Bhusan will welcome this idea. I am glad to announce that my department is one of those who has so far organized highest number of Gian in the institution, and that number now be crossing 13 so far. In this year, recently we had Professor Delacqua and Professor Pavesi, both from Italy, respectively conducting the course in the field of image processing, video analysis, and silicon photonics. As Dr. Jaideep has said, but well, Jaideep, I will inform you that whenever there is some goof up in the flight schedule of our expert, then always think that it is a sign of good omen, because now we are used to it, and our last program was very much hit, and same kind of it was very much successful, and same kind of situation was there. So now I am very much confident that this program or this particular GAN program also will be a very, very successful program. Now my colleagues who are young, energetic, and already are master in the field of AI ML and are pursuing lot of research in various fields and all, my earnest request is, as even underlined by our Honorable Director Dr. Patel, who because of his prior commitment is not available today, but has said that don't just let it remain up to conducting a training program, but take it to the next level. So Professor Bhusan, we will see in future the collaborative measures which we can take, starting from some small things so that confidence building can be done, and then we could see futuristically if we can go for some good research project, collaborative outcomes, and technology know-how development, transfer, etc., whatever is possible that we can see. And from that point of view, the participants from not only from VNIT but from outside also, I will request them to take full opportunity of this particular, take full advantage of this opportunity and take this to the next level, not just by grasping the nuances of this particular thing, but also taking it to the various collaborative things in future. By saying this, I am really very, very thankful to our Director, Honorable Patel, In-charge Director, Dr. G.P. Singh, who has very much supported this activity, Dean International Affairs, Professor Burchundi, who is from the department, and therefore he very much not only for our department but takes initiative for all such measures, And earlier he used to look after the Gian program. So same thing is continued by Ritesh also. So I thank him also. And I thank Dr. Umre for his presence today and encouraging us for this inaugural event. With this my short address, I will stop here and wish all the best to Dr. Surender and Dr. Jaideep for the successful organization of this particular program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words. I would now request our local Gyan coordinator, Dr. Ritesh Keskar, sir. Kesari, sir. Sorry, sir.
Good morning to everyone. I welcome Professor Bhusan from British Columbia University. This is really like I was just going through the profile of Professor Bhusan, and what I found that he has a lot of contribution in the battery management system, estimation of the parameters, etc. So this is really good, sir. And for this event, my good morning to respected Professor GP Singh, sir, Dean Faculty Welfare and in charge Director of VNIT. Then Kothari, sir, Course Coordinator, and Bochendi, sir, and Head of the Department from Electrical Engineering, Professor B.S. Umre, and Gandhi, sir. So this is just I let you know about the Gian course. Actually, this Gian course was started in 2016 by Government of India with the thought process of inviting foreign faculty members and the researchers who are pioneer in the area, different areas like engineering, sciences, even in some cases of arts also, and medicine, etc. And thought process was that just to invite the foreign faculty members who are contributing very good and have interacted with the students and faculty members and the research of faculty members in India who are carrying out in the direction of the similar work, so that we can decide how we are going to go ahead for the collaborative research work or further. So as an outcome of this Gian courses at VNIT, we have created some milestones also, and just new areas of research and activities have been come up, like in the area of electric vehicle, then communication, then biomedical sciences. So all these new area come up, and the faculty members and the students who were associated with this program who attended, and they have now they are being known for their great contributions in the country and across also. So this is really a good outcome of this Gian program. And if we consider the nation-wise, this is the fourth Gian program at present, fourth phase of the Gian program. In phase 1, 2, 3, we had total 2,163 Gian courses organized, and in that from Canada 104 faculty members participated, with the highest number from USA and then UK. And in this Gian phase 4, so far 779 courses have been submitted. Out of that, something around 300 courses were approved, and so we are not also lesser than the national percentage of acceptance. From VNIT, we had submitted 36 courses, and out of those 36 courses, 11 courses have been accepted, and this is the 8th course which is being conducted at present. And as Kothari sir has said, that electronics department is among the highest contributor. In fact, among the initiator of this Gian program also, first courses were organized by electronics department and electrical department. And so with this, just what I want to request from the side of the national coordinator is that intention of this course is that your interaction with the faculty members, and so that this interaction will bring us a new area, because we all know that automation is a very complex area where the AI and machine learning is well implemented. Then the efficiency of work is going to improve. And so this is the purpose, and so we also request that course coordinator will be arranging a meeting with chemical engineering department, electrical and electronics department faculty members. So we request to accept that invitation also, so that we all can be benefited. This thank you, and we welcome you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Dean Academic International, Dr. Bhusan, sir, to share some words.
Honorable Professor G.P. Singh, our in-charge director today, in absentia Professor Premlal Patel, our expert speaker and today's guest, Professor Bhusan Gopaluni, who is also Vice President at University of British Columbia, Canada, and Head of the Department, Professor Kothari, Professor Umre, former Dean and Senior Most Professor of the Department, Professor Gandhi, Professor Ritesh Keshri, Gian Program Coordinator, Course Coordinators, Joydeep Sen Gupta and Professor Surinder, and the participants who have come here all over the country, and of course some of them are our own students. I first welcome you all on both the fronts, from the on the behalf of Institute as Dean of International Affairs. This being an international kind of activity, it comes under my office for record maintenance and so on to continue the further activities. And also on my personal behalf as faculty member of this department. So dear friends, you are quite lucky that when you are in this age, you are getting these opportunities. Let me tell you, before 25 years, or when we were in our actual student phase, or before 30 years might be, such opportunities, they were very, very rare. I remember I first time interacted with a foreign professor when I was 40 plus. And you people, when you are students of MTech and PhD, you are getting this wonderful opportunity. As far as Gian is concerned, as already has been explained by Professor Ritesh Keshri, that it is not only about learning, but it is about interaction and networking also. So the scope of this activity not only ends on the 5th or 6th day of this program, but it is expected to continue even after that. Let me tell you, out of such activities, a few of our students, they have got, post-PhD, post-doc opportunities. A few of them, they have got internships. And that is obviously the result of interaction by the participants with the invited speaker. Okay. As far as organization is concerned, I am sure that Joydeep Sen Gupta sir and his team must have done all the arrangements. However, if you have you find any lacuna, please report us so that we can improve next time. And if you are happy with the arrangements, please tell the world. That is going to give us a good name. Fine. As far as the technical aspects are concerned, again, I am sure, looking at the profile and the background of the speaker, you will be very happy, and there will be a lot of take-home knowledge as well as opportunity. Knowledge as the part of delivery and opportunities as the part of networking when you go back to your institutes. One thing I will like to request you is that whoever are the teachers among us participants, please disseminate that knowledge, whatever you have earned from this course, to your students. Then only the true purpose of this particular activity will be fulfilled. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, I thank Professor Joydeep Sen Gupta, the course coordinator, Professor Surinder, and Head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for inviting me here. In fact, I do not need invitation, but still I am thankful to them for this opportunity to speak in front of you. That's all from my side. Thanks once and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would be requesting Director in charge, Dr. G.P. Singh, sir, to share some words.
For today program guest Professor Bhusan Gopaluni sir, Head of the Department, Professor Ashwin Kothari, Dean, International Affairs, Professor Burchundi sir, my colleagues, Professor B.S. Umre sir, Professor A.S. Gandhi sir, coordinators of the program, Dr. Jaydeep, Sen Gupta, Dr. K. Surender, coordinator Dr. Kesri, Associate Dean, Faculty Welfare, Dr. और Satpute sir, and all colleagues, participants, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Director Professor Premlal Patel, I welcome you in the green campus of VNIT for this very useful program on machine learning and application to automation engineering. As already told by Professor Kothari that the importance of the machine learning, nowadays in isolation no subjects can grow, and we have to collaborate, we have to work in interdisciplinary field, and then we may be able to do something, a better application of the subject. In this beautiful campus, I'll suggest you that of course you are having plan for the machine learning and application. The talk will be given by Professor Bhusan, but in addition to that, we have some center of excellence. I'll advise coordinators, whenever some time permits, you people can visit our center of excellence. We are Jamdar Center of Excellence. Then Center of Excellence of Embedded System we have. Center of Excellence in EMC, EMI we have. Space Lab Technology Center is sponsored by ISRO we are having. IV Lab we are having. Dr. Ritesh is doing very good work there. Center of Excellence, that AI ML also this department is having. And I want to inform Professor Bhushan that this department is again for working professional. They are extending the program, online MTech program in the area of AI. So many good activities are going on in this campus. I'll request especially those who have come from other parts of the country, you please have a look on this, interact with our colleagues, and it will be beneficial for everyone. So with these words, once again, I welcome you in this campus on behalf of the director and on behalf of myself, Institute. And already my colleague Dean, Professor Burchundi has already told you that if you have any difficulty, you can contact. So there are so many people here to take care of you. So anyway, I am also one of them. If anything is needed, you can contact coordinators, head of the department, Professor Burchundi, colleagues, and we'll try to our best to help you in both way, academic as well as your comfortable stay in VNIT campus. With this, I wish you all the best and hope this program will be a very useful to all of you who are attending the program. And after attending this, again I advise you please practice whatever you have learned it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now it's my great privilege to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. Bhusan Gopaluni, sir, a distinguished academic researcher and a leader in field of chemical and automation engineering. Dr. Gopaluni, sir, is a professor in Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering and currently serves as Vice Provost and Associate Vice President at University of British Columbia. He has previously held several pre-academic leadership roles, including Associate Dean in Faculty of Applied Science and Associate Head of his department. In addition to his academic roles, he is also affiliated with several research institutes, including the Institute of Applied Mechanics, ICICS, the Pulp and Paper Center, and the Clean Energy Research Center. Dr. Gopaluni, sir, contributes both academia and industry. He has worked with Metricons, implementing advanced control system in chemical, oil and gas and pharmaceutical sectors. He has held visiting position at MIT and Uppsala University and serves as associate editor for several prestigious journals in control and system engineering. He is recipient of multiple honors including the Killam Teaching Prize, the Dean Service Medal, the D.G. Fisher Award, the Drishti Award for Science and Technology, and was recently elected a Fellow of Canadian Academy of Engineering in 2024. We are truly honored to have him with us today. May I now invite Dr. Bhusan Gopaluni, sir, to address the gathering.
Thank you very much for that kind introduction. I wasn't warned that I should be speaking here at the inauguration. If you found me dozing off on the chair, that's partly because I'm a bit jet lagged. It's about 12 a.m., I think, in Vancouver. I'm really honored and pleased to be here, especially in the midst of some of the best brains in India and several distinguished colleagues here. I'm looking forward to an exciting workshop over the next 5 or 6 days. AI is really going to reshape our lives in the next few years. There are just so many changes that are happening right now. It's difficult to keep pace with the innovation around us. And it's an area that I think we should be teaching all engineers, not just computer scientists. So I think in the next few years, I'm sure many universities are going to adapt and equip students graduating from engineering with artificial intelligence tools. I want to thank several people who are responsible for organizing this, especially Professor Surendra, Professor Joydeep, and many others who have worked very hard behind the scenes to make this workshop happen. I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to interacting with you over the next 5 days or so. All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Joydeep Senugupta, sir, to distribute the certificates for workshop conducted from 12th to 16th June 2025 in field of EMI EMC for non-teaching staff.
Again, good morning all. So, Honorable Dean Faculty Welfare and today's in charge director Dr. GP Singh, our HOD, Deans Umre sir, Gandhi sir, and all my colleague. So we have a center of EMI EMC and we conducted training for our non-teaching staff, and the training was from 12th to 16th June 2025. The first 2 days the theory was conducted by Professor Neeraj Rao, me and Professor Gandhi sir, And then our industry person Anirudh Kulkarni, he gives hands-on training for remaining 3 days. So today we will give the certificate to them on the hand of our Honorable In-Charge Director. So I am just 7 candidates are there. I am calling their name. Please come to collect the certificate from our Honorable Director In-Charge Dr. GP Singh. First is Pratik Khapde. Amol Gurnule. Rahul Namatkar. Rajesh Vathi. Jayendra Khande. Ritu Thakre. Seema Naikhede. And last but not the least, Sudhir Kumar Singh.
Thank you, sir. Every successful event is a result of effort of many. As we come to close our inaugural session, it's time to acknowledge and express our heartfelt gratitude to whom this possible. May I now invite Dr. K. Surendra sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay. On behalf of this Gian course, I would like to thank all the dignitary on the dais for spending your valuable time with us. And I would also like to thank Professor B.S. Umre sir and Professor Ritesh Kesari sir and Professor K.M. Burchandi sir and Professor Abhay Gandhi sir also for spending your valuable time with us. Okay, so we are aware about that automation. Automation is a field which it's an interdisciplinary field. We are all aware about that. So as we are also from several departments, so we know we have formulated the course very meticulously such that once as we know that any field which you have a mathematical formulation, after that getting the output is nothing but we will have a machine learning output. Okay, so such a way we form the course. It's not anything related to specific to the departments. So the course is being formed very meticulously for each and every departments, which will carry the content of the machine learning, and you will be learning all the contents which is more relevant to in your research field. Okay, so by this I would like to thank each and every one of you, and I would also like to thank all my EC family members for their support, which makes this program success. Thanks to one and all. Thanks.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now I would like to request everybody to rise for national anthem. नायक जय है भारत जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा कावेर उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष भावे तव जय गाथा जनगणमंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय 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 जय
भारत माता की
Jai. Thank you all. I would like to request everybody for high tea.